Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to go through hands-on 1 of the Model for Analysis of Energy Demand course. This is the hands-on 1 as depicted on the OpenLearn collection. In this hands-on we'll be installing MAED model for the computer for offline use. Please note, MAED can only be installed for Windows as of now. So first of all, to install the MAED model, we will need to install Microsoft Visualize C++. For this, we need to click on this link. However, before we need to check whether our computer operating system is x64 or x86. To do so, if we click on type here to search, we see this PC. We right click on it and click on properties. And over here we can see that our PC is a x64 based operating system. Once we have that information, we come back to this PDF and we click on the link. When we click on the link, the following page opens up. Over here we need to scroll down to where it says other tools, frameworks and redistributables. We open this, we see Microsoft Visual C++, we see the x64, it's already selected, so we click on download. Here we wait until the download completes. Once it is completed, we'll open the file. Over here we need to read through this and then click on I agree to the license terms and conditions. And then click install. Over here we click yes. We will need to restart our computer in order to use the software. So in this case, we're going to click on restart as the computer restarts again. We have now restarted our computer and it's ready to use. So the next step on the hands-on document says that we need to fill in a Google form. So we click on this, opening it in a new tab. Once this opens up, there are general terms and conditions in terms of what is this document that needs to be filled in. Over here, most importantly, we need to select our country. So in this case, I'm going to select Armenia, and we need to select our affiliation. Once we have done this, then we need to select the executable, which is the Google Drive link over here. Here we will see a setup doc. We need to download this doc in order to be able to install the MAED software. So we right click on it, or alternatively there's a download button over here that you can click on. Here it's asking whether the file is too big and it might damage your computer. Over here you just click on download. Now we wait for the download to be complete. In the meantime, we can go back onto the hands-on file and review the rest of the instructions. So we have come up to this point. Now we're downloading the software. The download has been complete. Over here we need to keep the file. Even though it says it's not safe, we click on keep anyway. Now we need to open the file. here, we click on more info, and we click on run anyway. Now we have successfully installed the MAED model. Now, as the instructions state over here, once installed, you need to be advised that if MAED is not maximized, you may not be able to view all the tabs as shown below. So what we need to do is click on MAED and then maximize the page. Now you will be able to see all of the tabs involved in it. Furthermore, the way to select between MAED E and MAED EL, so that's the demand analysis or electricity, is through this function over here. On the left, you manage your case studies that you need to do. There's language settings over here, and then here's how you can create new case studies, which is something we'll be talking about later. Congratulations on installing the MAED EL tool. Congratulations on installing the MAED tool.